This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Luis Menendez. Come preview this newer 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths Lakefront Trevi model floor plan from Lennar. This home offers a large open living room area, great for entertaining family and friends. The kitchen comes with an island, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and plenty of cabinetry space. The master bedroom is large and bright with his and hers walk-in closets. The master bath has a soaker tub, shower, dual sinks, and separate private water closet room. There is a second smaller master suite with an attached bathroom, perfect for in-laws or guests plus 2 additional bedrooms. The home comes with a separate laundry room and washer and dryer are included. Owners have also installed outside front stones for a beautiful exterior look. This lakefront home is located in the beautiful gated community of Bella Vida, with low HOA fees of $298 a month including cable, lawn and great amenities. Bella Vida offers a clubhouse, community pool, basketball and volleyball courts, gym, billiards, kids playground and walking paths. Centrally located in Cape Coral, close to Pine Island Commercial Corridor and US 41. Easy access to Fort Myers. Call today to make your preview appointment. For more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Luis Menendez at 239-443-3204.